Did you know that over 70% of people who try to lose weight end up gaining it back within a year, often because they're focusing on restrictive diets rather than sustainable habits? That's why I'm so excited to share with you the gelatin trick, a simple daily ritual that's all about nourishing your body from the inside out. To get started with the gelatin trick, you'll need just three ingredients: unflavored gelatin, lemon juice, and warm water. It's amazing how these three humble ingredients can come together to support healthy digestion and boost energy levels. My friend Sarah started using the gelatin trick a few months ago, and she loves how it helps her wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. As she experimented with the gelatin trick, she found that it was all about finding the right balance of ingredients to make it work for her. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it a part of your daily routine, check out the link in the description below for a detailed explanation, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips from our community. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily habits, you can start to experience the benefits for yourself and find a healthier, happier you.